The recent Blue Origin NS-31 mission captivated the public's imagination. It was a spectacle from start to finish. News outlets buzzed with excitement. This was no ordinary spaceflight. On board were high-profile figures like Lauren Sanchez and pop icon Katy Perry. Adding to the intrigue, the mission featured an all-female crew. This was a first for Blue Origin. It seemed to signal a commitment to inclusivity in space exploration. The presence of such prominent figures, alongside the historic crew, guaranteed global attention for NS-31. However, this media frenzy also sparked a debate. Some questioned the mission's true purpose. Was this a genuine step forward for space exploration, or was it a carefully orchestrated publicity stunt? The lines between scientific endeavor and entertainment began to blur. The NS-31 mission served as a potent reminder of the power of celebrity. In an age of fleeting attention spans, star power has the ability to draw the public's eye to the cosmos. But it also raised crucial questions about the direction of private space exploration. Were we entering a new era where entertainment value trumped scientific progress? Blue Origin unveiled redesigned spacesuits for the NS-31 mission. These sleek, form-fitting suits were a departure from the bulky designs of the past. The company touted them as being more comfortable and functional for astronauts. However, the suit's aesthetic drew mixed reactions. Some praised their futuristic look, likening them to something out of a science fiction film. Others were less impressed. Critics drew comparisons to Elvis Presley's iconic jumpsuits, suggesting that style had taken precedence over substance. The controversy over the spacesuits highlighted a growing tension. Was Blue Origin prioritizing aesthetics over functionality in its pursuit of a captivating public image? The design seemed to cater more to a terrestrial audience than the practical demands of space travel. While the spacesuits undoubtedly boasted technological advancements, their bold design sparked debate. It raised questions about the motivations behind their creation. Was this innovation driven by a genuine need for improved astronaut performance, or was it a calculated move to generate buzz and attract media attention? The NS-31 mission successfully crossed the Kármán line, the internationally recognized boundary of space. The crew experienced a few minutes of weightlessness and witnessed the curvature of the Earth. These are undoubtedly remarkable achievements. However, compared to the ambitious goals of other space ventures, NS-31 fell short. SpaceX, for example, continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. Their missions focus on scientific research, technological development, and long-duration space travel. SpaceX is actively working towards establishing a human presence on Mars. In contrast, the NS-31 mission lacked a clear scientific objective. It carried no significant research payloads or conducted any experiments. The primary purpose seemed to be providing a brief, exhilarating experience for its passengers. This difference in focus fueled the perception of Blue Origin as more concerned with entertainment than scientific advancement. The NS-31 mission underscored the stark contrast between different approaches to space exploration. While some companies are laser-focused on pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and reaching new frontiers, others seem content with offering fleeting glimpses of space. This disparity raises important questions about the future direction of space travel. Space race or publicity stunt? The verdict is still out. The NS-31 mission sparked a heated debate. Was it a legitimate step forward in space exploration? Or was it a carefully orchestrated publicity stunt designed to generate media attention for Blue Origin? Critics argued that the mission's lack of scientific objectives, combined with its celebrity passengers and focus on aesthetics, pointed towards the latter. They saw it as a blatant attempt to capitalize on the growing public interest in space travel for commercial gain. Proponents, however, maintained that any step towards making space more accessible should be celebrated. They argued that by offering a taste of space to influential figures, Blue Origin was helping to raise awareness and generate excitement for space exploration among a wider audience. The debate surrounding the NS-31 mission highlights the complex relationship between science, entertainment, and commercial interests in the realm of space exploration. As private companies become increasingly involved in space travel, it remains to be seen how these competing forces will shape the future of this field. A legacy of learning. Recalling Emily Calandrelli's contributions. It's important to acknowledge Blue Origin's previous contributions to space education and outreach. Emily Calandrelli, a prominent science communicator and television host, flew on a previous Blue Origin mission. During her flight, Calandrelli conducted educational demonstrations and experiments designed to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. She used her platform to communicate the wonders of space to a large audience, particularly young people. Calandrelli's participation in the mission demonstrated the potential for space tourism to serve as a valuable tool for education and outreach. Her experience showed how such missions, even if brief, could be used to engage the public and promote a deeper understanding of space science. Blue Origin should strive to incorporate such educational elements into future missions. By partnering with scientists, educators, and communicators, they can ensure that their missions contribute to a broader understanding and appreciation of space. Entertainment versus exploration, striking a balance in the final frontier. The NS-31 mission has brought into sharp focus the delicate balance between entertainment and exploration in the realm of space travel. While the allure of space tourism and the desire to make space accessible to a wider audience are understandable, it's crucial that these endeavors don't overshadow the pursuit of scientific knowledge and technological advancement. The human fascination with space has always been driven by a thirst for knowledge, a desire to explore the unknown, and a yearning to push the boundaries of what's possible. These aspirations should remain at the forefront of our efforts in space. Moving forward, it's essential that private space companies like Blue Origin recognize the responsibility they hold. They have a unique opportunity to inspire and educate the public, to advance scientific understanding, and to contribute to the betterment of humanity through space exploration. Conclusion: the future of Blue Origin. The NS-31 mission has generated both excitement and controversy. While it showcased Blue Origin's capabilities and the growing accessibility of space, it also raised important questions about the company's priorities and the direction of private space exploration. Will Blue Origin become a vehicle for scientific discovery and technological innovation? Or will it primarily cater to the desires of the ultra-wealthy, offering fleeting glimpses of space while neglecting the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity? The choices Blue Origin makes in the coming years will have profound implications for the future of space exploration. Let's hope they choose wisely.